Hey, so in this we're going to go over a rational equation and we're going to find the LCD and we're going to group the terms and solve for x and then check our solution. So first, to find the LCD, we're going to have to factor this. So this is going to be 2 over x minus 2 x plus 2. This is going to be positive, and now I can factor a 6 out of here, and 6 is even and 10 is even, so I can eliminate that to 5 over 3x plus 2. And now this is already factored at x minus 1. So if we look at this, the factored form of the denominator has an x minus 1, an x minus 2, x plus 2, and a 3. So my LCD is x minus 2, x plus 2, and a 3. So this first term I have to multiply by 3. This second term I have to multiply by x minus 2. And this last term on the other side of the equality sign have to be multiplied by x plus 2 and 3. So we're going to do that. So I have 2 times 3 all over the LCD. I'm just going to write LCD plus 5 times x minus 2 all over my LCD. And now this is 3 times x plus 2 all over my LCD. Okay, so now I'm just going to multiply this out and I can group the terms because of the LCD, this, and I'm going to actually write out the LCD the denominator now. So I'm going to have 6 plus 5x minus 10 all over 3 bracket x minus 2 x plus 2. And then on this side, I'm going to have 3x plus 6 all over 3 bracket x minus 2 x plus 2. So now I can group this, and I can subtract this whole term and move it to the other side. And if I do that, I'm going to take, because the denominator is the same, it's the LCD, I can take this and I can subtract this from it. So I have 5x, and I group these, that's minus 4, so 6 minus 10 is minus 4. And then I'm going to subtract this, 3x plus 6. And this all is all over the LCD. And now it equals 0. So I subtracted this to this term because the lowest common denominator is, they both have the same lowest common denominator. They are the same denominator. I can just subtract the numerator. So now I just group the terms. So in this case, it'll be 5x minus 3x is just 2x, and then 4 minus 6 is minus 10, all over 3 bracket x minus 2 x plus 2, and that equals 0. So I'm going to now move this up to continue this on. And so what I can do here is factor out the 2. So I have 2 bracket x minus 5 all over 3 bracket x minus 2 x plus 2, and that equals 0. So I've just taken this and factored it out. So now what I'm going to do is find my non-permissible values. So x cannot equal 2 and negative 2. And then I'm also going to try and find a way to make this equal 0. I want this to be 0. I can do that if x equals 5. So if x is 5, then this is 0. and it's a permissible value. So then it's 0 equals 0. So that's good. So let's check it. So when we check it, we're going to go right back to our first equation. So I'm going to rewrite it out. So I have 2 over x squared minus 4 plus 10 over 6x plus 12 equals 1 over x minus 2. So I'm going to check it by putting 5 back in here. So now I have 2 over 5 squared is 25 minus 4 plus 10. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus, well, that's right, 30 minus, plus 12 equals, and then this is 1 over 5 minus 2. So this is 2 over 21. And this is 10 over 42. And this is 1/3. But I can see here that this, if I multiply this by 2, both top and bottom, it would be 42. So I'd find the new LCD. And if I multiply this by 14, it would also have 3 times 14 is 42. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. So I get 4 over 42 plus 10 over 42 equals 14 over 42. And if I add these two together, I get the same, so it does work. So we've checked our solution, we've gone through, we solved for x, we found our non-permissible values, and the solution works. So that's how we simplify a rational equation and solve for it.